Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete your Gmail account. So if you have created any Gmail account and if you want to delete that, maybe due to not in use or any reasons, okay. So if you want to delete, I will show you how you can do that. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user from my channel Parivar, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Let's start now. So what you need to do is just you need to log in your Gmail account. Okay, once you log in, you will see the page look like this. Okay, then you need to click on your profile name here. It will show like this. Okay, my name is getting started with yes, so it is showing my the first name of uh, letter. So just need to click here. Okay, here you will see manage your Google account. Click on that. Once you will redirect to this page, you need to click here data and privacy, this option. Scroll down, and before delete your account, if you have anything on your email, over email, you can download that. Okay, so once you scroll down, you can see here delete or delete your data. Okay, sorry, download or delete your data. So if you want to download your any important data which is over email, you can click on this option. You can go with this option and you need to select your data and just need to export or download. Okay, if you don't want to download or, any data, just you need to delete. If you want to delete, just you need to click here on this delete Google services. It will verify if you are the one who is trying to delete. Okay, it's you can see here to continue first verify it's you. Okay, so just you need to enter here password. Okay, and then click to next. So if you enter the correct password, it will show like this. Okay, so you can see here it is showing download your data. Again it is showing. Okay, so if you want to download, you can download from here. Okay, YouTube, Gmail. Okay, so you want to delete your Gmail account. Okay, so just click on this, enter email address. Okay, again you need to enter here same ID which you want to delete. So it's cloud4 at gmail.com. Sorry, gmail gmail.com. Okay, send verification email. SK Cloud4. This email address is already used with this Google account. To continue, use your other Google services. Oh, sorry. Yes, so here you need to enter another Google account just to verify. So I have another email account. I'm going to enter here gmail.com and send verification email. You can't use gmail.com as an email address. Okay, so to continue, you can see here other Google service account. This looks like Google Play Docs. You need to address to sign in with the with it can't be Gmail address. Okay, so here, yeah, it is saying it should not be the Gmail address. It should be any other like Microsoft account. Like I have one talk to outlook.com. Okay, send verification email. It will send the verify your new Google account email address to remove Gmail. Okay, got it. And once you will go to that email, let me open here Outlook, click to Outlook. So you need to just verify by going to that email. Whatever email you will enter, okay, you need to verify. Sign in, okay, this one. Let me enter here manually. It's asking, okay, to send code this, verify this is your email address. Okay, escape dot kumar 555@gmail.com. It's asking again to verify. So let me verify here. At 7486. Okay, escape for now. So it's loading. So in same way, you have to log into that email which you will enter during delete request. Okay, let's wait. Yes, so you can see here I have one email, Gmail delete confirmation. Okay, so just click on that. No thanks. Okay, and you can see here it is same account to which I am trying to delete. Okay, what you need to do, if you'll see, if you still wish permanently delete Gmail from your Google account, close all of your this and click to this link. So just need to click on this. So it is saying, you can see here, I clicked here just to show you. So it is not opening, this URL is not working. Here you can see one note, if clicking the link above does not work, copy and paste the URL in a new browser. Okay, so this is just for safe side. Okay, this is the just double verification. You can see if you by mistakenly, if you click here, then the account will be get deleted. So that is why it is saying here, if you permanently want to delete, need to copy this, go to a new browser and paste and hit enter to open this URL. Okay, you can see here, confirm Gmail deletion, delete this is account. Okay, delete Gmail account. Here you need to just select yes and click to delete Gmail account. Confirm Gmail deletion, initiating deletion. You deleted Gmail from your Google account. Okay, your Gmail data will be also deleted. You will be able to sign into your account using this. This account might be take a while to show everything. Okay, so you can see here we have successfully deleted the Gmail account. So in same way, you have to follow the same process to delete the Gmail account. Okay, so initially what we did, we logged into the Gmail account. We go to the manage data, manage your Google account, and then we follow the same steps. Okay, so in this way you can uh, you can delete your account. If you have deleted and if you will again try to log in, you will not be able to log in. Okay, Maybe it will take some time, but you will not be able to log into this deleted account now. Let me show you again. So more options, you can see that account is already removed, SK Cloud one. Okay, here it is not showing. So in this way, guys, you can delete your Google account. It was a long video, I think, but yes, we have tried to, follow all steps. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. If you have any query or concerns, please feel free to leave comment. Thanks for watching IT Warrior. Bye bye.